Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the exhilarating world of motocross with the 2024 Husqvarna FC250. This latest offering from Husqvarna continues to redefine performance and precision in the motocross arena. Let's delve into what makes this bike stand out. The bike boasts a sleek and aggressive design, blending style with functionality. The 2024 FC250 Rockstar Editions also get completely new frames with reduced chassis rigidity to heighten cornering characteristics and aid in rider comfort. To go along with those new frames, the bike also receives suspension tweaks to better suit the new frames and enhance their riding characteristics. Underneath the hood lies a high-performance engine. The 250 cubic centimeters DOHC, liquid-cooled single-cylinder, for valves/SIL, power plant delivers an impressive power-to-weight ratio, offering exhilarating acceleration and speed. The ergonomics are crafted for optimal control and comfort, allowing riders to push their limits without compromise. The standout upgrade feature on these models is the new Connectivity Unit Off-Road (CUO), fitted to the fork leg behind the front number plate, and the front fender-mounted GPS sensor. Using the Ride Husqvarna Motorcycles app on a smartphone, you can choose preset engine maps based on predefined track conditions, customize, refine the engine braking, the launch and traction control settings, the sensitivity of the quickshifter, and more. The app also includes suspension setup recommendations for different types of track conditions, plus the GPS sensor can record and analyze track sessions. The list of technical accessories parts which are standard on the Rockstar Editions includes factory racing wheels and adjustable triple clamps, sump guard, FMF Racing Factory 4.1 silencer, plus the latest Rockstar Energy Husqvarna Factory Racing graphics, Brembo hydraulic clutch and brake systems. Unlike the Enduro models with their Bractec systems, check what we had to say about them. Beyond its technical prowess, the FC250 offers an immersive riding experience. The responsive handling, coupled with precise braking, allows riders to maneuver effortlessly, enhancing their performance and enjoyment on the track. In conclusion, the 2024 Husqvarna FC250 stands as a testament to innovation and performance in the motocross realm. With its blend of cutting-edge technology, impressive power, and rider-focused design, it continues Husqvarna's legacy of producing exceptional motocross machines. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the 2024 Husqvarna FC250. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adrenaline-fueled adventures. Until next time, ride safe and keep the passion alive.